Hi, I'm Russ from Axelent and I'm here at our head office in Hillerstorp, Sweden to introduce to you the latest in our product line, X-Protect. It's the only impact protection system that changes with your needs. Its uniquely modular design allows you to alter existing configurations, create your own solutions, or even integrate with X-Guard. X-Protect offers various different levels of protection depending on what you need. Take this pedestrian barrier. It can be amended very easily with only the addition of a few parts. Our impact protection barriers can be used in a single layer to protect building perimeters, or in a double layer to protect pallet racking. Should you wish to change or amend your products at any time, you can, just like this bollard here. X-Protect has built-in shock absorption. This means fewer parts and it's kinder to your floor. Our column guard is telescopic. It extends from 150mm to over 375mm without the need for any infill pieces. The installation is very quick and simple. There's also a cutout in the base to cover any column fixings to ensure a secure fit. During an impact, air from within the guard is allowed to be released through restricted openings, cushioning the blow and protecting the column. The condition of your barrier should be checked as part of your routine facility inspections. X-Protect allows for fast replacement of damaged or worn parts right down to component level. We at Axelent are a safety company, so naturally X-Protect has been through vigorous testing at our state-of-the-art facility. We use real-world forces and impact zones so that you have the peace of mind to know that you're getting the right level of protection. If you have any further inquiries about X-Protect, please contact your local sales office.